Hi friends, good morning to one and all. This is Sri Durga. My seminar topic is Smart Parking System Technology. In many commercial cities and areas, to finding a parking space for the vehicle, it is very difficult and it is very time consuming. So in this, we are implementing this technology. It is very easy to finding a parking space for the vehicle. In this outline, what is Smart Parking System? System unit, main features, coordinator, software application, problems, conclusion. What is smart parking system? Smart parking system is an integrated system to organize the cars in public parks. This system will be used for every slot in park. The motivation of this project is to help the drivers and make the payment way easier. Our project consists of two sites. The first one is the main unit, and this unit will be located in every spot in the parking lot. These units will be connected with our second, the coordinator. So every coordinator will control the information from and to the units connected with it. System unit. Every spot in the parking lot will contain the main unit. Our unit consists of Arduino Nano, two ultrasonic sensors, RF card reader, keypad, LCD. The system will detect the existence of a car in the slot using sensors. System will use RF reader for automatic payment. The system also will use a display and a keypad for the interaction with the user, like interaction for entering information about the time needed or interaction for payment if the user forget the card. Main features: card detection. Check into the system using the phone number or RF card. Automatic payment using the phone number or RF card. Checkout using the phone number and RF card. Card detection. The detection of a system of a car is done by using the ultrasonic sensors. We use two ultrasonic sensors for detection. The system will not consider a moving body as a car, so one sensor will not be enough. We have to detect the existence of the car from the different points and distances. Car detection. There are the things we consider when using more than one ultrasonic sensor: collision and interference between the ultrasonic sensors. The reading of two sensors at this way will not affect each other. Timing between the multiple readings for the sensors. The two sensors at the same time, we read them one after another. The time between the two readings is very small, less than 1 second. So if there is a car detected by one sensor, then it will be detected by other one. State of the system. There is three main states in the system after a car detected: check-in state, payment and checkout state. The user will use the keypad and LCD in every state. There is more than the way that the user can choose either by phone or by RF card reader or by entering the card number. State of the system: check-in, pay, checkout. And this is the check-in, pay, checkout. This is a system unit. Coordinator. Coordinator. Coordinator consists of two parts: Arduino UNO and Ethernet module. Communication between the Arduinos. We use I2C to communicate. The coordinator will be the master and the other units will be connected as a slave. The coordinator will continuously request the data from each unit. Communicating with the server. The coordinator is connected with the Ethernet module. When the data received in the coordinator from the slaves, the coordinator will pass these information and store them according to the state in server using the Ethernet module. Software application. This application can be used by the drivers to check in, pay and check out. The user will register in the system, add the needed information like the phone number and RF number. This is the smart parking system. In this, start register. In this check-in, there are three main states in state activity: check-in, pay, check-out. Problems. Which sensor to use? Detection a car, not a moving object. In this, after comparing to other sensors available, the ultrasonic sensor is the most accurate one. The IR sensor is not very accurate, also doesn't work fine outside in the sunlight, and the available IR sensors had a range less than the ultrasonic sensors. Detection a car, not a moving object. This is solved by using more than one ultrasonic sensor to detect from different points and distances, and it is also by using delay and multiple readings to ensure that there is a car. Conclusion. Our smart parking system project is planned to be integrated with another software application to help drivers to find the empty spot in the parking lot more easily with less time. Also, our project implement most of the functionalities needed in a parking lot. For example, implement an automatic way for payment. Thank you.